Taylor, do you know that you're losing your credibility? Unim say be kakrano o kasa obi envy.
Kevin Taylor, me see when you be who came and so nice wada.
I was in this particular video the Bob Aku be come no mama yensa. What I say? Baku eye Ghana for man no. Afedi o ma dwala we go kwa pai. O say Kevin Taylor. Say na wo tie. Say na wo ye. Boni we na wo di nsuma say. Ana wo so na wo di matem na eni nya abotre de e be e wo. O ma be kika bi pa. E da tre Kevin Taylor. Ana face no. Concerning the issue of neck pressing, say the free for or pressing neck. Every for the press Kevin Taylor in neck. Every for say be dina Kevin Taylor so e wo Facebook and neck. I will try to super hard one. I can be that trainer. And on the issue of Ansan Sadali, I will be say, oh, yeah, Mahama, the personal physician. No, that statement will be kind of Mahama. I will react to that. As to what I said, I am a cry and I am a credit. In this video, no, maybe you be BMO. I'm what you say. I have Penyah Broad Media. Let's say any video. Over like if you do not know, what subscribe button, click the notification icon for the latest update. Now, bet you the wide their mammy. Ever comments as well as Baswa. No, she will for us to be ashy. Only must say ever since a Dr. Sanseni, that 7 ever in this mono. A woman picture be as a Facebook post. I started a fly on the internet. As a post a real mono. Nibakro make that post exactly 10th December 2024. That was 3 days after election, after the general election. And Nibakro make that particular post. As a post no account make here a verified Facebook page. Now a verified Facebook page. I didn't Ansan Sadali, and then you know, our former NDC, doctor. I want to make this particular post with the Facebook account now after this post will delete that Facebook page and make it this particular post. And I'll say, congratulations to President-elect of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, on this well-deserved victory. It's been a great honor serving you as a personal physician, especially during the difficult times in opposition. And throughout the very tough campaign, you did it. At that point, you posted saw 331, reactions with 45 comments. Anywho, this particular post said a fly on the internet. Now the one for quite okay, and yeah, say you have a cancer. I said, I bear the crap. Every said, don't know for anymore. Now, Mahama. Now, Mahama, we're fine gentlemen, but don't know if you say, well, back or Kramono. All because get away the chloroquine and I say Mahama as painkiller any of the other man no they said I dey go say Mahama infusion I dey be am for kwam think of tam chloroquine there the Mahama oh papa chloroquine the Mahama say Mahama jiwe no bet me the debate by fight the never fine that's it Mahama prescription now I do buy na just a chief of social media mountain so now I was Mahama customer for that is presidential staff for communication and information. Mahama the mouthpiece. Mahama by say or this same tuga. Na on person dey pay free on one kasa no mu. O ne customer for o customer no. Is on no kasa. E say Mahama kasa ana akasa. Aye. Honorable Felix Ofosu Kwache. Felix Ofosu Kwache say there. Asamwa Sanseni e Canada there be. Sanseni bia onum red. What I say? Sanseni onum red na Mahama there. Mahama emfa Sanseni ba we see personal physician.
Washa, Abaya Yakan as one call inauguration. They won't call because at that time he had her nomination had been revoked, yes. Documents, let's just say, na Enya, appointment the man who cannot sign Ikitanos Abel. It's an ocraches are by to one more and son as some Ebetobia. Sebi, or my year will so Nasa Niba Pufuti. It is a what's a baby now to say, so what you are by Adinaswa. Yebeti, now you to one. I think it's a better way to serve people. Since Obaya so Brache say, Adazidia Beto just say, when you are also mean to one. President Mama wants to
Mr. Direct question.
Yeah.
Was she ever the physician to President Mahama? Because it's on social media. John Mahama, the physician.
Sebi, and you be honest, so
right.
Beginning say you have the capacity to verify information.
Right.
President Mama, meaning physician. I on an several years. Oh yeah. Dr. Penyah won in Yapa. Abaya we on men President Mama baby. See, and no credit. So, in fact, sir, we no cry no. A binom crack as a fake crap. That was any people a generator. I don't know.
MPP for no shared all over the place.
MPP, exactly. You can't share.
Sometimes clear the man.
And I'm saying you can't fake news. I want to they have factories that produce fake news. So that must say so. and you are better bia and yes what it does abana makraso. I can tell you on authority on your president physician. President physician he's been there for many years. Or here you won't be a highly qualified medical practitioner. Oh no, on the president Manante long before he even became president.
It doesn't matter. Only as we can there. Every the power. Every the power because post is no ocean one. This is not a Photoshop. Na count. In account you were deleting the page. Go hit never. I know what you want to survive. What did it work? Like I said. Where's the question? What is with you? That is supposed to. Is it by you came on as a game again? Young can be mount. And I ain't defend again. So we want to defend. You defend the war. I didn't defend Dr. Sanson. Me meet me defend. Maybe I always defend or comment. I know defending back. You know, obviously, who defend. Now let's go to a FIFA. I'm saying no FIFA by life. Emma buy, just say, or the more exposes, buy. And FIFA, the more exposes, buy between Acquire Kevin Taylor. First, so any license any doctor, scam Femi, Nigerian billionaire Femi with pregnancy.
I have 8-9 days more for this baby to be induced. I've not had a decent communication with you for close to 2 months. And anytime that I get a response from you, or anytime I get a small message from you or a short message from you, is when you wire money and I don't receive it on time, or you wire money and I communicate with you about it. It's not all about money. Life is not always about money. Yes, I need money. Yes, I need all the help that I can get. Yes, I need a car urgently. But sometimes showing concern, showing some care does help more than money could ever do. This baby is going to be induced on the 28th of this month, which is less than 2 weeks. Ask why this is happening. You're not. What is really going on? You've not picked up your phone to call or text. Hey, why is this baby coming earlier than its term? I have gone through a whole lot of emotional trauma. I've done this by myself. You cannot say you did this with me because you supported me when I needed money. You cannot say that. This is a pregnancy. If anybody were doing this to your kid, I don't think you'd be happy about it. But I think it's the punishment from God for dating a married man, I think. And I've always asked God for forgiveness. I hope he forgives me. This baby is a bastard. I've accepted it. It's a shame to my family. I know my mother is torn, but she can't say much.
Any that is all demanding for cars, you know, car urgently. Urgently. Femi, about Brennan is on to car urgently because only 2 months. This is romance scam. Anyone a FIFA every 3 months. I can tell us any plan all these things. Or the chat by Dr. Sansa Deli, any Kevin Taylor. As Omu Chesica, Omu Escan will be a Omuche. I can tell you as a. I don't know where bounce and when you can to them and send a watcher and at the other. There was a what you know, and I don't pay. For a record, the FIFA ever and field, only make it post. And I just say, I'm a Taylor, aka Bolabe. You are what we call a low life, the kind of creature who slithers through the cracks of society, hiding behind microphones and Wi-Fi signals, vomiting poison onto good people. You abuse women, body shame them, bully families, and spread filth disguised as commentary. You attack innocent people, weaponize fear, and sit in comfort while real people suffer. You are a shame to the very idea of manhood. You lied, manipulated, blackmailed, and tore at the fabric of a nation you don't even have the courage to live in. I pray that every woman who stands for justice, dignity, and truth confronts you. I pray that the collective force of women you are mocked, violated, and dehumanized will rise up and tear down your platform, your ego, and your filthy reputation. They say, oh no, empower man, some man sorry into Kevin Taylor because Kevin Taylor has been inflicting pain on them for a very long time. It man is sorry, you are not a patriot. You are not a journalist. You are a dangerous fraud operating under false protection, hiding behind U.S. citizenship while waging a personal war on Ghana's democracy. What you are doing is local terrorism, inciting tribal division, abusing women, mocking families, and destabilizing national unity. You speak like a king behind the mic, but you are scared to work among the very people you claim to fight for. And to thank your wife, Melissa S. Taylor, a woman working with one of the most respected news institutions in the world, the New York Times, can sit in silence while you degrade women, insult children, tear apart families, and turn citizens against each other. That silence speaks volumes. How can she, a journalist, stand behind this madness? How can a household of media credibility harbor a man inciting a chaos across borders? This is bigger than politics. It's about abuse, distraction, and deceit. It's about a man who thinks distance protects him. But let it be known the world is watching now, and we are not afraid to speak. Burn that mic, delete the lies, and pray the world doesn't respond to you the way you've treated it. #focus, #precisely so. A 27 is another person, Afrifa, every kind editor can be out and say, attack already be called came to the so as a or Babesi out to New York Times. When I owe as journalist, and that's a Ukunu, the Okunu over into 1 tier, sound or can be English into 1 tier, or so basement it won't tier any other Babesi Ukunu, edit the mem a martem, door can you into 1 tier, a fine mom. Now, sound the same way, no. If I can attempt to read a mania, they are no business, and TikTokers, a man I want to be so life. To can be part of the Taylor.
Kevin Taylor, do you know that you're losing your credibility? Unim se ebeya kakrano okasa obienview. Ebeya kakrano okasa obiabe who say you are just some toothless bulldog making some noise. I'm telling you today, because tell me why His Excellency John Dramani Mahama or Yewunipa were rally behind him. Sa amananya amana be president still na udinechi. Or no so revoke sa doctor no fake doctor no revoking the appointment. You still had the temerity to go sit on your show to do what? Now, I mean, in actual sense, you are trying to tell us that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama you're trying to tell us that revocation, why revoking girl no appointment, no? He doesn't know what he's doing. And all the investigations on revoking girl no appointment, no? You are trying to tell us that a border dash. The president doesn't even know his left from his right. He doesn't even know what he's doing. That is what you're telling us. News about the doctor on Kawanye. I know, okay, maybe apparently Okatakyie Afrifa again you are trying to protect or support your lover, which is not bad, but this has to do with the president. Kevin Taylor, me I like you because me I love assertive people, I love confident people, I love people who can speak their mind. Because me who say me know and I'm not trying to condone whatever you do or Atema didn't know, not that. But how you're so assertive with some of your submissions. But for you to I don't know who say girl in America or no one of that. School not so called one call. Still Kevin Taylor say friend is saying and Saturday say and Sadelius and America they have millions of that name. What you're saying doesn't even make sense, Kevin Taylor. It's crazy how you want us to believe whatever you're saying, but who's asking you need to we are waking up. Stop it already. Stop it already. It's not making sense. At this point, who did the president Mahama? You think that probably you are clapping back at Okatakyie Afrifa, but you are making the president even, honestly speaking. And me, I don't see why I girl is still crying or that's when I'm home. I don't know the reason why that's when I'm home. Offense, she needs to be brought to book. She needs to be arrested with immediate effect. Because to the best of my knowledge, one time I think I saw a story on YouTube. Which was again not His Excellency John Dramani Ma, no as a physician, who said then the physician before he became president. And you know, on your doctor, a ban the same with Timmy. Hey, I'm out.
Kevin Taylor, wait dear. You guys play tayo. Jana ni support to maybe a chum. You see why you're Jumapa. NDC bar power. Nipa be brave, be bo abaso. So why you're Jumapa na wait dear. Kevin, me see when you be who came and so nice what that. And kawa bar way and sansa kron 4 bar robot to bar way say. And ka Kevin, kawo de ni be ba. I'm not be warrior papa no penny for ministers, president, MPs. Or be true no bone dia ma wo mu. Eti Kevin where the obo. You go explain tire. Minim say Okatakyie Afrifa be gu ani mase. Wo gu ani mase because na ka woni mu da. Say sa secret we betimi apie. Eti Kevin, say say die bibia ni hono ma beba e be dia to mo. Age say ye komu kohwehwe mu yie. Ade a we ya ne say wo de NDC ba power na mom Kevin. Sa de we pa de wani be hu ke na so na nsi ho. Ye ni anya.
Hey, there is always a harvesting time for every seed that a man sows. And Sansa, this is your harvesting time. Now, the one thing it worries me when you are harvesting, you don't harvest alone. But when you were sowing, when you were sowing the seed, it was only you. Right now, your family, your children, your generation are about to reap what you've sown. And when you are harvesting period. We are saying, Ugufu Koguna ba Bonse Edu Chabreno na Ebusia nature. A man nature. We generation babicha. A ya real. It told the be a Belinash. A yana may come as and say. And ye may be Wahokrana, I Sudia Adaye and Masui and me. Yena na be no more born name be. A baby or mudia yet. And we are in training Korea Chiu. Wawufu na mobia o mutu ye. Wawufu sebi brebi o muboye. If you are paying now, I know one a real few who said they were the cause. And Sansa Dali, Okatakyie came to warn you to stop. I think they wrote tower to say, oh, Rija, because Kwasiebi, I won't name Nyansa no minute. Let me tell you about Kwasiatela. Abranten onim Nyanso. Obia or yet often it is and to Sonia so and meaning quench dancer or a reactivia with Nyansa for. Assemba na what tea summer is a so the Bakwa Jim. Our yet quick, now not a meka no betnas can be yan. Sanipan onyenyansa for ya most steady some performance. On say Okatakyie nya mo evidence ne mo niema bi achepa. But in some be or ba almost benyansa for odwi tete niema ni bi free mu ade bi ansa na wode apie. But Kwasiatela oni Mahama di nkomokura na the next show obaba beburu ni nyina agusu. Wei ana Mahama afa ne se onye ne dirty work man. Yebeko so aka sa asem we because mo na mo ye citizens no. Enti ya mo nwene se oman ni sika. Ade na se mo abase mo be ye oman ni yi a. Ade na mo di sienti a ade se Kevin Taylor kasa protect mo. Ask yourself, say if you have come to do it and to reset her. Mahama nyuma pa ebe ma Ghana fo agina tum. Mahama say ni nyuma pa me hu say electricity sisu a me enya by force chinchina say we say me campaign and say me kasa ma MPP. No. Me ba be kanfo ade a Mahama aye. Na ya hye omu nkuran. Inti ehun bia hia ma ne say obetiti sika ama bloggers akasa man because ni nyuma ebe kasa man. Inti se Mahama tigana no o ya de pa o progress o man na inti akola kra ya wo no ohun ana. Must the media be the one now or mobile betina hodum so moody Mahama who dance? There be and yet Jandam na Taylor mo ye never bua Mahama memu. Nemo Mahama Numa Power, Peso, Yema Ghana for Jenny 2 minutes. Asembia, no Boshe be or Shayano, Obediso, Nasikano or Tetema bloggers, ni media, se for say, media for more de Wuro and Casa NDC, a year, a buying Papano, Obey no this kind of develop Ghana. Simple. Emerewa mo aya mo refi se media no ye na egusu bebre ni entoaba ye ma menom ne ya enkrasefo ye ekoto abai emu dodo se ne ba social media Mahama wo tam sika de enti se abosumi bia de ma kwasiato wei se ono ntira broche no oni na Ghana fo enum nsufin enasum ye kase muni adwene a obi se yedi mu atem wo adwena obayewu Broni Ben pa your prime minister as young as he is on this ankwase assembly
Kevin Taylor we me too for so wonnim ema so a eya hwe Samson abrabo ai Kevin Taylor at the NDC party achi obi biala onim bia ni masoma me kan ebusua ena Kevin Taylor abrabo abaye te say Moses said the onyankopon ka che ne se woni be hu Kena so nine si wo Kevin ene lady Ann Sasa won so Okatakyie Afrifa me ehunu se Ann onye doctor bia wakodi Ann achi amene Kevin Taylor wa brabo aba ba te se Moses woni be hu Kena so nine si wo ena asem bia ni hono ma Kevin Taylor wo de ba ene nipa betumi age adi because Ann brabo a watimi aba be scam yen hwe nipa abre wa NDC party mu enipa edi NDC party achi ache ye hunu campaign bia Ann oba Ghana obeye you Ubahwe mrantie ne mabawa yemfa apia stadium kranya example Kevin Taylor timi akofa lady abasa o meska mo Ghana for dia Kevin ene woni be hu Kena so nice Kevin Taylor enti ani de no crosser ani wo yom panampa enti ya wotimi di Ghana for ma bia temsa na sa andi we robot this woman she looks like robot I'm telling you Kevin so wotimi do ba we su di ni pa na Kevin what me the Ghana for? Because Kevin Taylor nya diamond somewhere. Hey Kevin, say what to mommy to Ghana for my who be pa na anway. Hey, na mentias you. I'm on the pictures via me who woman as a robot. What's a robot? Hey, serious? And it's waiting be you should not be no Ghana for Papa form Penyah for you so a doctor. The BTA but GSC can for your money in the America. Or bar when you pay the say robot. Kevin, where do your bar? What made the party and made it gun and anybody acting be more? I am Jim.
You know, I have mommy, comment section. I Penyah.